Hi, I'm Kelsi with Peacock Family Chiropractic. This is my son Aiden, and we are going to put together chia seed pudding for you. It is a really great healthy option for a snack or breakfast in the morning or even as a dessert. So I'm simply adding 1 can of coconut milk that I've melted over low heat over the stove, and half a cup of chia seeds, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and I'm just gonna put it together in a jar or container. And I'm gonna let it set in the refrigerator overnight, and then I'll add some fruit to it in the morning. I'm gonna add strawberries since those are fresh and organic right now and available. So it is very simple, and I think you'll really enjoy it.